It's a rather basic kitchen timer. They sell for 500 or 600 yen in Japan. So the Japanese. The buttons, just quickly for those who don't read Japanese, we have, this is a minute button, so you can set that. This means seconds, like so. And this is our start and our stop button. And if we press both together, the minutes and the seconds, we reset. And let's just see why this one is broken. It's come out of our cafe next door. And if we press that, as you can probably hear, there's no sound coming out of it. So it's next to useless. We'd end up with lots of burnt cakes and scones. So let's take a look what's inside. The first thing, we'll take out the battery. There's a single what's that, 4A battery, Tansan 4 in Japan. Okay. And this has also got a hook on it, so you can hook it up if you need to. And it's actually got a magnet in, so you could, when it was working, you could stick it on your fridge or on your range hood, if need be. But let's take a look. Okay, so the front is, that's just stuck on with glue. Okay, so we'll put that to one side. And then it looks like we have 4 small screws. Give me one. Okay, that's got some gunky glue to hold also. 2. And 3. And 4. That one's in quite tight. Okay. Okay, so we should now, I think we should be able to bring the top off it. I'll just check all the screws are loose. Oh, okay, they are. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 micro screws. I'm afraid there's one stuck somewhere. Okay. And the first thing there to get a prise into the edge there. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so now we can pop it open. That's that. Okay, and it doesn't seem to be a great deal to it, does there? First impressions, okay. I actually had a surprise. Oh, go off. The magnets. Those are the magnets there. You see that? And actually 2 magnets in. Okay, quite powerful. That's our speaker there. This is the bit that's not working. I wonder if it is just a speaker. It may be possible to fix it. And then we have what is the main function of the timer, or the main parts. Should we just see if we can lift it out? This is held with 1 screw there. Is it just the one? That one across this side. No. These magnets are playing havoc with my screwdrivers. Is that going to come out? Have we missed? Are those also screws? So let's just take one more out. Okay. Another one there. Quite a nicely labelled circuit board. I can see that close up. We have ground on that side. Ground coming in. We've got our plus wire coming into the circuit there. Is it coming out? Not yet. The screws. Okay, it says no trimming on that capacitor, has just been soldered in, and no trimming at all. Interesting. And then, have we got all the screws? Oh, is there one behind there? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so that's the front of the circuit board. Obviously, there's some kind of microchip there underneath this, what I believe is called a blob to cover that. There'll be a chip in there. That's a capacitor of some sort. That's probably capacitor. We've also got some, I think, in the resistors on. I don't know. Oh no, they're the buttons. No, they're not. Oh no, resistors. Yeah, resistors. Sorry, resistors there. Very, very simple. On this side we have the buttons. If I can, that's all going to fall to bits now. I put that all together. To do the buttons there, and they push here. Look at that simple push button. This is our LCD screen, and that rather amazingly, the contacts are all out of those there. You can see the squarish contacts. Those, when it's all stuck together at the back, will fit into there and drive the screen. Oops, that's a screwdriver just rolling off the table onto the floor. Okay. I wonder if that can be used in the future. Okay, so there you have it. I seem to have destroyed the thing totally. I don't think that's going to go back together, but it's a nice little button that's all connected. So, okay, I'll just lay it out on the table, so you can have one final look to see in there. So you've got an LCD screen, and that's where all the display happens. It's a quite big display. Obviously in the kitchen you want something you can see easily. We also have the front panel, which is how it came out. That holds the front panel together. Okay, the front. We have the button tops, and clear, which go on top of the actual buttons, or the button labels there. And we've got the battery cover for the back of the thing. And we have our circuit board. I think if I just pass that across, we can collect up any remaining screws with the magnets. Okay, our circuit. Okay, so not a great deal to see in there, but now you know. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.